I see a burning flame burning through. I see days neither fun nor free. I see a future caused by fear. I see a path not walked by man. The future should be filled with happiness, dreams and peace brought to life. But the days ahead are dark and tragic. No time for hope when all is strife. Whatever might have been, all the dreams that Vikings share, because of the battle soon to come, now the future is a cold nightmare. What could all this mean, Kiara? What's happening? This is all too real, Hiccup, and your actions could very well lead to the end of the world. No, I don't understand. I never wanted to be this way. I haven't lost yet. Is there still time? I'm sorry!